What's going on, guys? It's been a little while since I put a video up. Last week, me and my wife went up to Pennsylvania to hang out with some family and friends for Christmas. And I met up with my buddy CJ Reinhardt. He wanted to do a little video on the truck, and I was trying to use my GoPro to help with it. Unfortunately, it died, so he got a couple clips. I'm going to put them in right about now. So, if you like that little video edit that he did, I'm going to put his link down in the bottom to his channel. It's fairly new. He's also a firefighter with one of the companies out of Hagerstown, Maryland. And so he does videos of that kind of stuff, and he's trying to get into the car and truck videos. So anyways, that's pretty much all I got right now. I am waiting on a little package for the truck. Also, if you didn't notice in CJ's video, I did get the traction bars paint matched. I actually did them out back myself and got them put back on for the video. So if you're following me on Instagram, you'll also have seen that. And that's pretty much all I got for this little update. Do want to give a shout out to Greg A and WrenchWorkz. They got these hoodies. I got it for Christmas, and I gotta say, it is by far my favorite hoodie. Extremely warm. I didn't take it off the entire time I was up in Pennsylvania, and so I wasn't really expecting to get this one, but top-notch product right here. So go check them out. I'm sure if you're watching my channel, more than likely you watch Greg A's channel, so you probably already know about this stuff. But if you haven't gone onto the site, definitely go check it out. Got a lot of cool shirts and stuff, so I really like these flag hoodies, and yeah, I can't really say anything else about them. So With that being said, I'm going to close this video out, get back to my breakfast, and hope you all have a good one. Take it easy. Oh, before you guys head out, scroll down, leave a thumbs up on the video, put a comment down there, whatever. Hopefully I'll be bringing you some good videos here in the future, possibly with some new parts for the truck, and maybe a couple truck video edits, kind of like what CJ did, but with a couple different trucks, obviously, not just mine. So stay tuned. I'll catch you next time. Have a good one.